Hello mga kagarage! Welcome back! I'm sorry for the past few weeks na hindi tayo nakapag-upload. But no worries, because I have Toyota Hilux pickup truck lineup with pricing for you. If you are confused about the Toyota Hilux pickup, watch this video. Oops, do you know that this model has 19 variant in the Philippines? So, grabe, ang dami pala nito. Alright, let's proceed with number 1. This is the Toyota Hilux 2.4 cab and chassis 4x2 manual transmission. Ang price ng sasakyan na ito ay nagkakalaga ng 885,000 pesos or 15,877.29 US dollars. Alright. Moving on to number 2, this is the Toyota Hilux 2.4J DSL 4x2 manual transmission. Ang price range nito ay nagkakalaga ng 995,000 pesos or 17,850.74 US dollars. For number 3, the Toyota Hilux 2.4 Cargo 4x2 manual transmission. Ang SRP nito is 1,001,000 pesos or 17,958.38 US dollars. For number 4, the Toyota Hilux 2.4 FX 4x2 manual transmission. Ito po with rear AC. Ang price range nito is 1,124,000 pesos or 20,165.05 US dollars. Here we go with number 5, the Toyota Hilux 2.4J DSL 4x4 manual transmission. Ito po ay nakakalaga ng 1,195,000 pesos or 21,438.82 US dollars. For number 6, the Toyota Hilux 2.4e DSL 4x2 manual transmission. Price range nito is 1,312,000 pesos or 23,537.85 US dollars. For number 7, the Toyota Hilux 2.4G DSL 4x2 manual transmission. Price range nito is 1,390,000 pesos or equal to 24,937.21 US dollars. Alright, for number 8 na tayo mga kagarage. The Toyota Hilux 2.4e DSL 4x2 automatic transmission. Ito ay nakakalaga ng 1,392,000 pesos or 24,973.09 US dollars. Alright, moving on to number 9, the Toyota Hilux 2.4G DSL 4x2 automatic transmission. Ang price range nito 1,466,000 pesos or 26,300.68 US dollars. Number 10, Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4 DSL 4x2 automatic transmission. Price range 1,675,000 pesos or 30,050.23 US dollars. Right, number 11, pasa. Okay, Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4 DSL 4x2 80 emotional red, 1,695,000 pesos or 30,409.04 US dollars. For number 12, the Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.8 DSL 4x4 manual transmission. Price range is 2,003,000 pesos or 35,934.70 US dollars. Number 13, Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.8 DSL 4x4 manual transmission, emotional red, 2,023,000 pesos or 36,293.51 US dollars. For number 14, the Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.8 DSL 4x4 automatic transmission. Price range 2,078,000 pesos or 37,280.23 US dollars. For number 15, the Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.8 DSL 4x4 automatic transmission, emotional red. Price range 2,098,000 pesos or 37,639.04 US dollars. For number 16, the Toyota Hilux 2.8 GR Sports Automatic Transmission, 2,158,000 pesos or 38,715.46 US dollars. Alright, for number 17, the Toyota Hilux 2.8 GRS 4x4 Automatic Transmission. Price range is 2,172,000 pesos or 38,966.63 US dollars. For number 18, this is the Toyota Hilux 2.8 GR Sport Automatic Transmission, Emotional Red. Price range is 2,178,000 pesos or 39,074.27 US dollars. Alright. Alright, for the number 19th on the list, the top variant of this model is Toyota Hilux 2.8 GRS 4x4 Automatic Transmission na Emotional Red na nagkakahalaga ng 2,192,000 pesos or 39,325.44 US dollars. If you are new to our channel,
please don't forget to click like
and subscribe and press that notification bell for you to notify
for more upcoming videos.
Alright,
bye.
See ya!
Yeah, life's about just finding that right balance.